so grateful to the Lord that He is the one who told us that we are able to plant, that someone else can water, and then someone else can be able to harvest. As long as we do our parts that we have been sent into the earth realm to do, through it all, it really is the Lord who brings the increase. So on this All Things New, I want to encourage you to ask God in this season, what is He having you to do? You might be sowing in one area of your life in terms of planting new seeds, trying new adventures, going out into new areas, stepping into the new mountains of influence that He has for you. In other areas, you might be harvesting, where it's your season to go in and to harvest what has already been planted and has grown up in the years. And then for some, we might just be sitting and tilling the ground to prepare it for others. So on this All Things New, OctNEWber, I encourage you to get outside, enjoy the beauty of God's creation, allow the Lord to speak to you and to minister to you while you're